I didn't even know how to use a revolving door, yet somehow I had become a lawyer. At age 5, I still couldn't speak. A doctor diagnosed me with autism. My father couldn't accept it, but when I saw him being bullied by our landlord, I spoke my first words. I recited the legal statute for assault perfectly. My father was stunned. It was the first time I had ever spoken. At home, he asked where I had learned the statutes. I told him I had read them in his books and could memorize all the legal codes. Today was my first day at work. My father, worried I wouldn't adapt, kept reminding me of things. I put on my headphones and headed out. The noisy subway made me anxious. I closed my eyes, took a deep breath, and imagined a sperm whale keeping me company. I pushed open the office door, counted to 5, and walked in. The team leader had forgotten a new hire was starting today. He quickly pulled out my resume, which included a note from the CEO requesting special accommodations. When I introduced myself, I mentioned there were 2 pages to my resume. The second page was my autism diagnosis. He realized I wasn't normal and made an excuse to leave. He went to the CEO's office, saying that competent lawyers needed good social skills and debate techniques. Someone who couldn't give a proper self-introduction couldn't handle the job. The CEO asked him if he had given a great self-introduction when he started. He suggested assigning me a case to test me, and if I couldn't conduct client meetings or argue in court, I should be let go. The CEO reluctantly agreed. The case involved an elderly woman whose husband suffered from dementia and often spoke cruelly to her. During one such episode, she struck him with an iron, causing a brain hemorrhage, and was charged with attempted murder. The team leader assumed the prosecutor would be sympathetic and that they only needed to argue for probation. When I met the defendant, I realized she was my former landlord's wife. After learning the full details, I submitted a brief arguing for an innocent plea. Although the team leader believed the defendant would receive probation regardless, I insisted the issue of guilt mattered. A conviction for attempting to kill a lineal ascendant would strip her of inheritance rights, including her husband's pension and property, both essential to her livelihood. My objective was to reduce the charge to bodily injury while securing probation. After hearing my reasoning, the team leader was impressed, acknowledged the overlooked risk, and apologized for judging me based on my appearance and autism. I accepted, reminding him that I am not an ordinary attorney.